viewers, US President Donald Trump has signed executive order exits from WHO and Paris Climate Agreement. So those two big updates have come in right now, viewers. Big moves being made by US President Donald Trump. A short while back, President Donald Trump announced he's withdrawing the US from the World Health Organization. A very, very big move, cutting ties with the UN's public health agency on his first day in office. Back-to-back updates coming in right now, Republic TV viewers. And the other big update was that he has said that the US should be leaving the Paris Climate Agreement. So this is one more big update coming in. Very, very strong executive orders being signed by Donald Trump as we speak. And again, we have with us our guest, Mr. Arun Ayagari, is joining us live once more. He is a political analyst joining us live from New Jersey. Thank you for joining us here back. And we were in the middle of that conversation last time about the big moves that Donald Trump is making. Now, especially these two, the Paris Climate Agreement and trying to withdraw from the WHO, which is huge. We were about to speak on that. If you could continue and also tell our viewers a little bit more about Donald Trump's. He has always had this slogan, "Make America Great Again." Is this one more move he's making to align with his MAGA formula?
Yep, thank you. So we were talking about three executive orders before the break. He had issues with WHO for quite some time now, right? I mean, this dates back to 2019. He's been leveling accusations. Mr. Trump has been leveling accusations against World Health Organization. He was particularly unhappy with WHO's mishandling. That's what he called mishandling of the coronavirus, right? So ever since, I don't think it ever got better. So basically he wanted to divert or transfer the funds given to WHO somewhere else. Again, part of the Make America Great Again concept. That's one thing. The other thing was about the gender issue we mentioned before. He recognizes only two genders. Now, there's a little bit of context behind this, and this might not affect foreign policy so much, but it's a big issue domestically within the United States. I teach in public schools as well. I teach U.S. history and calculus in public schools. So the issue here is more deep-rooted than people see from a foreign perspective. The issue of multiple genders. When I say multiple, I mean more than two in this case, has become an issue even in school board elections. The last year's school board elections and the elections before that were primarily based on this whole plank of gender issue. So especially the bathrooms, should men, or I should say boys or males who identify as females, should they be using the female bathrooms? And that caused a lot of confusion. Many parents were upset, and even in schools, in public schools, there are many schools which did not allow, let's say, a student. When I say student, I'm talking about middle school student, 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade. If the students decide to change their gender to another gender, let's say male becomes a female, they start identifying themselves as female, many parents had an issue with school districts not letting the parents make aware of the change in gender, right? So this is more grassroots than we think it is. So that is a big issue. I'm pretty sure there'll be a lot of debates going on with that. Yeah.